Hey guys, so in this video you will learn how to get MeloNX emulator for your device. So this is super cool guys, and it actually works. You don't have to jailbreak your device to get this, but there's no computer needed as well. So to get it, what we're going to do is just go onto the website hexmods.com. So in the search bar guys, just go and put MeloNX. And as you can see guys, it should come up. So now before it downloads, there's one more step guys, and that's verification. So literally guys, you just have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free and also from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see guys, it says missing files. So basically I need to download 2 of these apps. So like Family Island says reach level 11, it's a game, so I could do that. Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. Then we got DraftKings where you got to do something on the next page. So make sure you guys do 2 of the apps, and then you should have the MeloNX emulator. There is a video to watch if you're confused, but they've also got like Lucky Match right here, tons of apps. So just make sure you guys do 2 of them. I'll see you later. But that's how to get MeloNX on your device with @computer. And also, if you go on the App Store and you try to search for it, you'll see it is not here. So I typed in MeloNX, and they've got many emulators nowadays, but not the MeloNX emulator. So yeah, you gotta try hexmods.com, guys, and then you should be able to download it. So it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome, and I don't really do anything like I don't do videos anymore, but I had to make this one for you guys, just to show you how this works, because it's like really cool. So yeah, peace out guys. This is fully updated by the way, so you can enjoy it like immediately.